In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from ManageEngine, to detect impact techniques. The nonprofit organization MITRE formulated the adversarial tactics, techniques, and common knowledge framework to help organizations understand the attack pattern of threat actors. This framework provides information such as how an attacker enters a network, what steps they take to persist in the network undetected, and how they escalate privileges to carry out their attacks. Impact is one of the 14 tactics listed in the MITRE attack framework. It refers to the techniques used by attackers to disrupt availability or compromise the integrity of data. This usually involves attackers destroying or tampering with data, manipulating business processes, or interrupting services. Monitoring impact techniques can help security analysts detect and mitigate malicious activities before they cause damage. Doing so can help them ensure business continuity, protect data integrity, and comply with regulatory mandates such as GDPR and HIPAA. Attackers may use different techniques to tamper with data or disrupt services, including inhibit system recovery, which involves attackers disabling recovery mechanisms to prevent data or system restoration, and even denying access to available backups. Threat actors may also use network DOS attacks that target the network infrastructure as a whole, or endpoint DOS attacks that target specific devices, servers, or systems, disrupting their operations or rendering them unusable. Alternatively, attackers may use the service stop technique to disable critical services. While this may seem similar to a DOS attack in terms of disrupting services, the difference lies in the methods and goals. While the goal of a DOS attack is to overwhelm or exhaust resources to make a service unavailable, service stop uses commands, scripts, or exploits to disable or stop a service explicitly, often targeting specific functions. To successfully execute an attack, threat actors may begin by using reconnaissance tactics to identify critical servers, sensitive databases, and potential vulnerabilities. In this stage, attackers may also analyze how backups and disaster recovery processes are implemented to inhibit their effectiveness. Once identified, attackers can exploit these weaknesses or carry out phishing or other social engineering attacks to gain initial entry into the victim's system. To establish and maintain access, they may install a remote access tool and carry out privilege escalation to gain admin privileges. They may then execute impact techniques such as data encryption, DOS attacks, disk wiping, or service stopping. To ensure the success of their attack, they may delete event logs and shadow copies to avoid detection and prevent data restoration. Now let's see how Log360 can help in a situation like this. Log360 is a unified SIM solution that supports the MITRE attack framework. It comes with predefined reports to identify various tactics and techniques attackers use, including impact. You can find such out-of-the-box reports for various MITRE tactics under the Reports tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select MITRE attack and click on Impact to find certain techniques and sub-techniques that an attacker may use to delete data or disrupt services. The Service Stop category provides a report for stopped Windows services. Log360 detects such attempts and provides details such as when the action occurred, the details of the device, process, command line, along with the event ID, severity, and a message explaining the event. Similarly, Inhibit System Recovery provides reports for modification of boot configuration and shadow copies deletion using OS utilities, both of which are leveraged by attackers to achieve malicious goals such as disrupting recovery mechanisms, persisting through reboots, or increasing the impact of ransomware attacks. Log360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as stopping a process or a service or logging off and disabling the user. This can help you stop an attack before it causes damage. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Implement MFA, review user privileges, and grant access based on the principle of least privilege. Regularly back up critical data and ensure it is stored offline. And lastly, perform network segmentation and isolate critical systems to limit the spread of the attack. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.